What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope everybody's doing well. Good early afternoon from South Africa. We're gonna go over our friend Bitcoin. Currently we're sitting at almost 44K. We're up almost 4% on the day. Beautiful bounce here. We're sitting on a market cap of 822 billion. 24-hour volume is 37.38 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app, my favorite app for investing. You receive $25 in crypto for free just for signing up through my referral. So we're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. We've had a throwback above the neckline of our head and shoulders. Now there are some analysts, and I'm sure some of you who are drawing your neckline right here, which is of course a possibility. And you can see here, if that's the case, that we're currently testing the neckline as resistance. But personally, I am seeing the head and shoulders on a bit of a downward slant here. We are back above the EMAs, and the third largest whale bought the dip and bought $13 million worth of Bitcoin. Guys, I am trying to post more often in my Instagram story with crypto related content, so you can follow me on IG if you'd like to. All right, guys, we had that bullish divergence. Now we have come all the way up to overbought. We're very close to overbought, close to 70 on the RSI on the 1 hour chart. And you can see when we get close to 70 or we break above it, we usually have a move back down. So that is a possibility, guys. If we head over to the 4 hour time frame, you can see on the 4 hour, we've just started to get back above the 20 EMA. We're currently breaking it right now. If we were able to hold it as support and consolidate, that would be a beautiful sign of continuation. Of course, guys, we can roll over and still come down to 37.8K, which is the technical target from our head and shoulders. But beautiful to see us back above the neckline. So I want to show you guys the daily chart with Elliott wave theory. I covered this in a video a few days back where we had our 5 impulsive waves followed by an ABC correction. So is it possible that we've already come down and completed our ABC correction right at about 40K? I think it's a possibility, guys, because 40K was a very strong level of resistance. I'm just going to drop it in here. Remember back when we were going through our summer crash here, we failed to get back above 40K on numerous occasions, and now it's flipped and it's acting as support. So we could see some recovery here. The major sign you want to look out for is getting back above the EMAs on the daily, because we can come up and get rejected and possibly backtest 40.5K. All right, guys, we had our bearish divergence, and you can see we trended very close to oversold, and we've had multiple bounces from this level. All right, guys, we're going to quickly open up the weekly and look at the 21-week moving average. You're just going to pop it open here. So you can see this bright yellow line here is your 21-week moving average. And it's beautiful to see that we haven't broken below it. We can still come down to about 41K and use it as support. And if we're able to hold it as support, we're going to see that continuation back to the upside. All right, guys. So just keep an eye on our head and shoulders. If we fall back underneath the neckline here, of course, we can still reach our technical target. So we're just going to quickly pop back over to the hourly chart and finish up the video here. So what you want to see is we hold the EMAs as support. We hold this neckline, and then we can see that continuation to the upside. So what we can do here is take our Fibonacci from our previous swing high down to our swing low. And currently we're just underneath the 0.5. So if we're going to see continuation, we need to get back above the golden ratio, which lines up with this level of support here at about 45.1K. If you get back above the golden ratio, you know what happens. You have a high likelihood of coming back up to where you started at about 48.7 and the 1.272 extension, which is up at about 51.5K. So I'm going to jump back over to the 4 hour chart to drop in some levels of support. If we do roll over here and we lose the neckline once again, I'm just going to drop in this zone of support here in between about 39 to 41.2K. So that's pretty much it for Bitcoin. Keep an eye on the 1 hour RSI. Looks like we might see a little bit of a backtest of support or some consolidation. All right, guys, shout out to the Discord. Over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, posting analytics. Great way to stay ahead of the game as a trader. It's the price of a coffee. You can sign up to the Patreon. You can trade Bitcoin on Bybit, my favorite platform for leverage trading, up to $600 in bonuses. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.